Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and while you do that, let's phone today's midweek winner. Hello, Gul.
Hello, sir. Right.
Hey, it's Christian from BOTB.
You okay, sir?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm very good.
Good. Asleep?
Yeah, just wake up now.
Are you working today or just chilling?
I've been just... You don't know what's
Sleeping.
going on.
I can tell you don't know what's going on, yeah.
I can't wait, man. Just tell me.
Can't wait, just tell me. I have some very good news for you, Gul.
What's the news?
You entered into the BOTB Midweek Lifestyle competition. I am pleased to say, Gul, you've just won a brand new Tag watch and 12 grand.
Thank you, sir. That's been very great. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
It's absolutely our pleasure. Gul, what was it?
Thank
What was
you.
it about this watch that made you play for that prize in particular of all the different prizes?
I definitely want cash.
We can definitely get you the cash. That's not a problem at
Yeah.
all. What do you think you would use that cash alternative for?
Some nice clothes, some things like...
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah, phone, so...
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Whereabouts are you
Yeah.
based in the UK? Where's home?
Somali, Birmingham's.
Birmingham. Fantastic. Are you working at the
Yeah.
moment? Do you have a job?
No, I'm looking for a job, but no find it.
You haven't got it yet. Okay. So this money's going to come in really handy.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you so much.
Absolutely our pleasure. Well, go back to bed if you like, Gul. I don't know. Do you have you not got any plans for the day? Just chilling?
No, yeah, I'm gonna chill now.
He's going to chill now. You are this week's winner of the Midweek Lifestyle competition. Amazing, amazing watch. And of course, that 12 grand. The prize value of that is just over £15,000.
Thank you so much, sir.
That's our pleasure. Gul, have a great day.
You too, sir. You too.
No worries.
Correct.
Bye for now.
Correct. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.